Hey there, foodies! Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into the world of Flavors Without Borders, a unique cooking show that takes us on a global culinary adventure. So, let's get started. Flavors Without Borders is a cooking show that takes us on a journey across the globe, exploring the diverse flavors and cuisines of different countries. Each episode is dedicated to a specific country, and the show's host, Chef Anjum, takes us on a culinary tour, introducing us to the unique flavors, ingredients, and cooking techniques of that country. One of the best things about Flavors Without Borders is the way it celebrates the richness and diversity of world cuisine. Each episode is a testament to the fact that there is so much more to food than just the dishes we're familiar with. It's a reminder that there is a whole world of flavors out there, waiting to be discovered. Another aspect that makes Flavors Without Borders so special is the way it highlights the importance of using fresh, local ingredients. Chef Anjum emphasizes the importance of sourcing ingredients from the local market, and the show often features the markets and vendors where these ingredients are sourced. This not only helps to preserve traditional cooking methods but also supports local communities and businesses. Flavors Without Borders is not just about the food though. It's also about the people and the stories behind the dishes. Each episode features interviews with local chefs, home cooks, and food enthusiasts, giving us a glimpse into their lives and their love for food. It's a reminder that food is not just about sustenance, but also about connection, culture, and tradition. Overall, Flavors Without Borders is a must-watch for anyone who loves food and wants to expand their culinary horizons. It's a show that celebrates diversity, sustainability, and the joy of food. So, if you haven't checked it out yet, we highly recommend giving it a try. Thank you so much for joining us today. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more delicious and inspiring content. Until next time, happy cooking!